Do not drive warning issued for tens of thousands of BMWs. Transportation correspondent Gio Benitez joins us with the details and what drivers of affected vehicles should do. Good morning, Gio.
Hey, Juju, good morning. Yeah, I want you to really pay attention here because this is considered an urgent, life-saving recall. And here is what we are talking about. 90,000 BMW vehicles on the road right now, built between 2000 and 2006. The models include those very popular 3 and 5 series. Now, these were already under a Takata recall, but now regulators say they are becoming more dangerous by the day. So owners really should just park these cars immediately and call BMW. And I want to show you this language here used in this warning. The risk to vehicle occupants is dire, and that these Takata airbags have an extremely high probability of failure during a crash. If the inflators rupture, the metal fragments ejected toward the driver's face could kill or leave them with devastating, life-altering injuries. So here's what you need to do about that. Call BMW right now at this number here, 1-866-835-8615. The parts, repair, and any towing, they are all free. It is clear that this could be a deadly flaw, so make sure you get it fixed right away if you have any one of these cars. Guys.